Hey everyone, today we've taken a closer look at the European debut of the Citroën e-C3, an electric vehicle that's making waves with its accessible starting price of €24,600 and an impressive 199-mile range. In this video, we've thoroughly examined the key features of this EV, analyzing its range, pricing, and what it brings to the table in the competitive electric car market. The Citroën e-C3 emerges as a strong contender in the realm of electric vehicles, offering a notable 199-mile range that positions it as a practical choice for everyday driving needs. Our exploration has focused on highlighting the e-C3's standout attributes, emphasizing its competitive range and affordability starting at €24,600. This appealing price point makes the e-C3 an attractive option for individuals seeking an affordable entry into the world of electric mobility. Citroën's introduction of the e-C3 underscores their commitment to providing accessible and eco-friendly mobility solutions. The e-C3 stands out with its combination of an affordable price tag and an impressive range, marking Citroën's dedication to sustainable transportation options without compromising practicality. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.